everyone, I am reporter Anjali Kamal. Today I tell about the breaking news of Reliance Industry Limited. The Reliance Industry Limited become the Indian first $150 billion company. Stock price double in 59 session with a sharp jump in Friday session. Some important points of Reliance Industry. The oil to telecom behemoth Reliance Industry became the first Indian company to be valued at $150 billion. In the rupees term, it also became the first company to be valued at over rupees 1 lakh crore. Reliance Industry is among the most valued energy company in the world. Its market capital is more than the total SA Royal Dutch BP, but lower than the ExxonMobil and most valued energy company. It took 59 sessions for Reliance Industry Limited to double investor money and the ongoing recovery in the domestic equity market. Share of the company realized its to all-time high of rupees 1738.95 on June 19 from the panic low of rupees 867.82 scaled on March 23. The Reliance Industry share surged 7% to the day high of rupees 1788.60, which is also a record high for the scrip. Reliance raised is rupees 1.1 lakh crore from global tech investor by selling a little less than a quarter of the firm digital arm Jio platform, and the another is rupees 53,124.20 crore through a right issue in the past 58 days. These are some related points of Reliance Industry. The Reliance Industry market capitalization stood at rupees 11.15 lakh crore, making it Indian most valuable company by a margin. The closest is Tata Consultancy Service Limited, followed by HDFC Limited, and both of which have seen negative return in 2020. The net worth of Mukesh Ambani. Indian Mukesh Ambani is now among the top 10 richest in the world. Ambani's net worth is $60 billion, has capitalized him into 9th position in the ranking of the world wealthiest people. The Reliance has net debt of rupees 1,61,035 crore as on March 31, 2020. With this investment, Reliance Industry has become net debt free. These are the chart of the Reliance Industry Limited market capital across rupees 11 lakh crore. These show the trend line of the market capital. The Reliance Industry market capitalization stood rupees 11.1 lakh crore, making it Indian most valuable company by wide margin. These are the data of the Reliance Industry. These show the actual estimate and percent variation of Reliance Industry. Over the course of 2 months, Ambani has raised nearly rupees 1.1 lakh crore by selling almost 25% stake in Jio. The company today said that the 1.15 lakh crore fund raised coupled with of rupees 53,124 crore right issue, also first of its kind for an Indian firm, will help company retire its debt. The company has built up a domain presence in retailing, telecom and retail business. We believe that digital and retail business will be key growth drivers for the company going forward, and the proposed listing of the retail business over the next few years along accepted lines and will lead to a reacting for the companies. We also accept a similar move by the company for its digital business in the future. Thank you.